I've gathered 50 YouTube legends, and whoever leaves this to last wins $1 million for their subscribers.
Right now, your brain is making a choice.
These creators built YouTube into what it is today.
Within the next 5 seconds, you will either watch this entire video or click away forever. Nobody understands that choice better than Jimmy Donaldson. mrbeast doesn't just make videos, he engineers psychological trap for your attention span. In a world where the average human attention span is shorter than that of a goldfish's, he has figured out how to lock millions of people into 20-minute videos without a single second of boredom. How does he do it? It isn't just millions of dollars. It is a highly calculated editing formula designed to hack your brain. Let's break it down. Every mrbeast video starts before you even click. The thumbnail, the title, makes a massive, unbelievable promise. Look at these openings.
Just stranded these 100 people in the middle of the wilderness, and whichever team has the most people here when help arrives splits that $250,000.
He doesn't say, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing, no. He matches the thumbnail instantly. Within 3 seconds, you see the circle, you see the contestants, and the clock is already ticking. He eliminates the intro lag by delivering immediate visual proof that the thumbnail wasn't a clickbait. Your brain registers a shot of dopamine. You got what you came for, so you stay. Once he has you pass the intro, the real trap begins. If you watch a mrbeast video closely, you will notice that a single camera angle rarely lasts longer than 3 seconds. Constant camera movements, sudden sound effect, and digital zooms keep your eyes from resting. If your eyes are moving, your brain stays awake. But visual candy isn't enough to hold you for 15 minutes. You need micro-narrative. Instead of one long challenge, a mrbeast video is actually 10 tiny stories stitched together. Minute 1 to 3, the initial setup. Minute 3 to 5, someone introduces a twist or betrayal. Minutes 5 to 7, a mini reward or elimination every time you are about to get bored and click away. A new mini story begins. You are not committing to a 20-minute video, you are committing to a series of 2-minute loops. This style of editing has triggered what editors call pacing inflection, because mrbeast has trained over 100 million people to expect lightning fast content. Traditional slower videos suddenly feels boring to average viewers. It is the same psychological mechanic behind short-form content. High stimulation, instant gratification, zero dead air. But here is the irony. Even mrbeast realized this model has a breaking point recently. His channel has started to change. The chords are longer. The voices are quieter. Why? Because when everything is loud, silence becomes the ultimate way to capture attention. mrbeast controls your attention span by turning videos into psychological obstacle courses. He eliminates the fluff, keeps his visuals pacing faster than your thought, and it promises a massive payoff at the end. If you like this video, subscribe and wait for my next video.